So, Abhishek, these people, they basically, for their own benefit,
Yes, sir.
they selected the people on the basis of the caste, creed, race, religion, and
Hmm.
narrow political consideration. Is that right?
Hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, I think I will make a call after some time because there's something which I have to attend, but we will just conclude in a few minutes, right?
Uh,
Uh, what I intend to say, कि, these buggers,
yes, sir.
they not only selected the people on the wrong consideration, but after the listing,
Uh,
they felt or they had some concept of the winnability. Who will win the election,
okay.
right?
Right,
And
sir.
who these people treated as winnable? The bad people, moneyed
The
people,
incompetent people.
moneyed people,
Yes, sir.
rascals, criminals,
Right, sir.
and whether they have won the election through the democratic process or they purchase the vote of people.
Okay, sir.
No, they purchase the vote no? By
Right, sir.
giving the freebie, distributing liquor, distributing
Exactly.
money, distributing saris
Distributing
and
money, yeah.
appliances, distributing
Distributing
even.
cycles, laptops, scooty,
Very
two-wheelers.
very true, very true. So
Yeah.
they purchased the vote of the poor people and they won the election, and they never said that they are representing public. They
Hmm.
said कि वो तो अपनी पार्टी के अदने से सिपाही हैं. You
Ji.
will listen or hear this slogan from
Right,
n
sir.
number of the politician. Am I right or not?
Right. Absolutely, sir.
And so the good politician you were referring to, they were incapable of contributing anything,
Right, sir.
because if they will speak honestly in favor of the public, they will be marginalized and they will be kicked out.
Right, sir.
That's why even the good people could not contribute it to their capacity. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we will conclude at this point of the time
Sir.
that now you are having your question where that how you can contribute. So one could be the professional. I will hear from you how you would like to contribute. Number one, right? And
Sir.
the second part, Dr. Abhishek, the
Sir.
second part is do nothing, just you have not take a pledge of the good India. I will share the 11, 12 documents which
Sir.
proves that this country will be transformed. You just need to take a pledge for the good India, and you create a group of your own people, your
Sir.
family members, your relatives, your friends, your neighbors, and whomsoever you have come in contact from right from birth to the point of time.
Sir.
Add them in a group, share these documents, have a
Sir.
deliberation that whether this so-called good India is good enough with the five fundamental rights and 21 transformational objectives, or
Sir.
they feel something need to be added into it.
Okay, sir.
If they feel no, it is suffice, then they should take a pledge, and that pledge has to be repeated every Sunday,
Okay, sir.
right? And then I am giving basically five links. So first link is about to join Crime Free Bharat Mission app. Though we
Sir.
are creating a new app which will be helping out to the greater details.
Hmm.
Now, after downloading this app, you are supposed to go into the community and read whatever I have briefed you. Everything is written over there, right?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Then this app is providing you the opportunity to add people with the least of effort, right?
Okay,
So
sir.
in this app, there's your profile. If you click to the profile, you will see your identity cards, and you can see your own activity, how many people have you added, and then it allow you to share with your family, friends, and everybody. And it is providing three options. First option is share through the WhatsApp.
Right,
Second
sir.
option is copy link and paste it anywhere. and third
Right,
is
sir.
share on the social media.
Right,
So
sir.
with the click of button, it is auto creating your message, it is auto creating your link, and whosoever
Sir.
will be joining from your link, you will get your name in the reference, right? And
Right,
you
sir.
will get the marks for that.
Okay, sir.
Two more marks are being added in the new app, that is on Sunday. Every Sunday on the rotational basis, the same individual cannot invite, it has to be by the roster, because it will be having 3 marks, right?
Sir.
So we cannot allow the same individual to have the 3 marks time and again, so it has to be a rotational activity, right? And the
Right,
whosoever
sir.
will be joining that pledge activity, Achhe Bharat ka Sankalp Samaroh, he will
Yes,
also
sir.
get 1 point.
Okay, sir.
And when you will be adding a member, you will get 1 point, and the person you added, and you are supposed to keep him motivated, so you will talk to him that he should also add the people who are connected with them, their own family members, their own relatives, their own friends, their own neighbors, their own people known to them, right?
Sir.
So they should continue to do the job. So that if you are say, you will motivate the person, and if he adds somebody, you will get 0.15 marks. So if
Yes,
that
sir.
second layer, if he adds somebody, you will get 0.1 marks, and third
Yes,
layer,
sir.
if he adds something, you will get 0.5 marks. So, and we
Okay,
are
sir.
keeping it up to 3 level only, because otherwise the inactive people will keep on getting the marks without really their efforts,
Doing
right?
anything.
With
Yeah.
their efforts, but we want that some point will come, and on the app is creating 6 merit list.
Sir,
So
but how does this adding people into this group and only by giving them to follow a pledge will make this country? Don't you think so that there has to be some work done on the ground level as well?
basically, the you whatever you are doing at the moment, continue to do that,
Okay, sir.
right? If
Yes, sir.
n number of the people can join hand, even we can transform and bring Swaraj also. That is doable,
Sir.
but then it is not doable by a single individual.
Okay, sir.
Everybody has to come together to make it happen. I am
Sir.
available to guide, right?
Right, sir.
Otherwise, wait for a while, continue to do whatever you are doing. You are just adding your people and getting taking them pledge. That is enough, because this L app will help you to become 100 crore in just 9 days if we continue to keep our pledge. Just
Okay,
in
sir.
9 days. 9 days is too small period,
Right, sir.
right? I will
Right.
explain. I will explain that also. And this app is creating 6 merit list.
Okay, sir.
One merit list of the villages, second merit list of the Parsad area, that is councillor area, third is of the mayor area, fourth is of the district area, fifth is of the state area, and sixth is of the country level.
Right, sir.
And by adding and getting these marks, I have given that you the 3 ways of getting marks. Number one, by adding member. Number two, by adding the layers. It means promoting and motivating them to, the second layer, third layer, up to the third layer, right?
Hmm.
And third, the point, source of the point will be by arranging people to come together and take physically meet, hear a video, and discuss that what is good India, whether they really want to add something more in that good India, and then taking a pledge and creating a video and sharing to the Mathli Sarangut, which will be posted on the Crime Free Bharat mission,
Yes, sir.
so that other people will also get motivated. When they will see that lot many videos are coming, so you are supposed to arrange that kind of thing on the rotational basis, and the people should take the pledge, and that video should be taken, that video will be uploaded on the Crime Free Bharat, that will motivate others, whosoever will see that video. Oh, I should also do it, right?
Okay, sir.
Now, based on the 6 merit list, the person who will be number one in the village, he will become Panch Sarpanch.
Okay,
Number
sir.
two, who is the number one in the Parsad area, he will become Parsad.
Yes, sir.
Who is that number one in the town, he will become mayor. Who
Yes,
is
sir.
number one in the merit list of the district, he will become Jilla Panchayat Adhyaksh.
Ji sir.
Who is number one in the state, he will become the chief minister, then second and third deputy chief minister. And since the population is different, hence 15 to 45 will become the ministers, and 70 in Delhi and 402 in UP. So 70 to 402, the person will become legislature, MLA, Vidhayak, right?
Ji
And the
sir.
country level, number one will become prime minister, two and three will become deputy prime minister, and up to 82 ministers in the central government, and 543 will become Sansad.
Right sir.
And irrespective of your mental capability, the models are already ready and they will not be imposed on anybody. There is a 5 stages of the transformation which I will be briefing you separately. So even Dr. Avshek, and
Sir.
he happened to be the bad person, but since he worked tirelessly and he could come number one in the merit list, and he could take the oath of the prime minister. I challenge
Right.
Dr. Afsek, after taking pledge, you will not be in position to negatively influence this country. That kind of the model has been made.
Okay sir.
So, Abhishek, I will call back to you after some time because there's
Sir.
some urgent work,
Sir.
and
Sir.
and we will
Um.
continue with the discussion.
Sir,
Meanwhile,
what time will you be free, sir? I'll call you at that moment since I have some patients to check.
okay,
If you might as well have to call me, I might as well be busy.
okay. So, what is that comfortable time?
Comfortable time as in, sir, maybe after 4 or 5 o'clock in the evening.
Okay, so we can do it at around 5 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
Right. So we conclude and hope now it should not happen like last time. Now you put your full energy
Yes, sir.
and become a agent for the transformation.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Okay, sir. Good day, Jai Hind,
Good
sir.
day. Bye bye.